Hello everyone. Today I'm with Abigail and Charlotte, and we're going to teach you how to make some lavender dryer sponges. And this is a great green natural alternative to replacing your dryer sheets and fabric softener. So first things first is Charlotte's going to pour in a half a cup of baking soda. And she's going to add some little bit of hot water and mix it up and stir it up. Now we're using plastic sponges, which isn't 100% natural good either, but it's way better than the dryer sheets. But you can also use, what we use is the wool balls. Yep. And we put a little bit of lavender on them. We started this journey because Abigail has eczema, and so her skin is very sensitive. So this was one of the changes we've made among many. So next, Abigail is going to put in some vinegar, and it's a half a cup as well. And watch it bubble. And then you can add 5 to 10 drops of lavender or whatever essential oil you want to use. I'll do a couple drops, then I would stir it and smell it and see if it's strong enough. And if we like it, you don't want to overdo it. And stirring there is great. This is what it's going to look like when it's done. Okay, so now you can add roughly about 5 sponges. And then basically, before you're going to use them, you would shake it up and squeeze out the sponge and throw it into your dryer with your clothes. And that's it. That's how simple and easy it is, and it turns out looking like this, where all the liquid is in the sponges. I highly recommend the wool balls. Another alternative I heard of is some people use their socks. So you just roll up a ball of sock and put it in the solution and throw it into your clothes. And that's about it. So thank you for sharing this with us, and if you have any questions or comments, please post them below or send me a message.
Bye.
Goodbye. Bye, Charlotte.
Goodbye.